tutorial, we're going to walk you through the single order shipping workflow in Warehance. This is the fastest and simplest way to ship one order at a time without needing to use picking batches or complex workflows. Let's get started. First, go to the single order shipping section from the left-hand menu. At the top, you'll see two tabs: Ready to Ship, for orders that are ready to be shipped; In Progress, for orders that are currently being processed. You can choose between different clients and warehouses using the drop-downs. You can also apply filters to narrow down your view and customize what you see. For example, you can filter by order status, choose specific clients or warehouses. There's also a bulk option to generate PickSlips. Just select the orders you want, click Generate PickSlips, and you'll get a downloadable PDF with all the slips ready to print and pack. Now, let's dive into a specific order. Click on any order in the list to begin shipping. By default, the order details will load on the left, unless AutoPack is enabled in your settings. At the top of the order, you'll see the shipping address, which you can edit if needed. There's also a View Order button if you want to open the full order in a separate tab. At the top, you will see PickSlipp code. You can also add a PickSlipp code. Below Order Items, you'll see the list of items in the order. You can select the location for each item. To mark an item as picked, either click on it or just scan it using a barcode scanner. Want to pack everything at once? Click Pack All. Next, choose your box type. You can select from saved box presets or enter custom dimensions. For weight, if you're using a connected scale, unlock the weight field to pull the weight automatically. If not, just lock the field and type it in manually. Now let's go over the shipping step. Click on the gear icon in the bottom corner to access quick shipping settings. Here you can configure options like gift invoices, Saturday delivery, and more. Once that's done, click on the shipping methods, and you will see all the different shipping options using rate shopping. Warehance will show you all the available shipping options and automatically pick the best one for you. When everything's ready, click Print Invoice and Label. Make sure your printer is set up correctly with the drivers installed. Click Save Changes, and that's it. Your order is now officially shipped.